Elaine, you did a wonderful job on your fun little video here on how to take care of Simba. This is a perfectly great idea to use for your students because it's something that they can view on their own time and it's really fun. You immediately set up the whole purpose of the video, which is to take care of Simba, and you draw us in right away with some images of Simba and just the whole concept of what the video is about isn't alluring enough, I would imagine, for your students. You did a really nice job including all of the elements that we were looking for in the edited video, including using really nice images that are well suited for the content. Your narration was very clear, very easy to understand, and the tone was really nice too because it did feel like I, as the student, was right there next to you learning directly from you how to take care of Simba. The music that you used was very nice and soothing, and it didn't get in the way or distract from what you were trying to teach in your video. You also opened right away with the learning objective and told us exactly what the video was going to be about. And then you closed with kind of like a little summary and telling us that this is all that we're going to need to do. It's pretty simple, not an overwhelming task. But it was nice to know along the way you gave us some instruction on what bearded dragons like to eat. And it was really fun seeing his cage and watching you handle him and then put him in the cage. So it was very nice seeing you flowing from images to some video as well. So that was a great way to keep and hold the viewer's attention. Just switching between those mediums was really great. You did a very nice job at the end providing us with the sources, citing your sources. So it's a great way to model for students as well. And of course, that's part of the theme that some of the elements that we were looking for in your video. You didn't need to necessarily do any transition, so it's fine that you didn't have any in there, but I'm really excited to know that you tried to use iMovie. It's a fantastic tool and there's so much you can do with it. Maybe next time you make a video, you'll try adding in some transitions. They're not always necessary, so don't worry about that. Let me just look at my cheat sheet and make sure I covered all of the elements. You had the learning objectives, the visuals, the narration, the music was great, as was the citation, and it was perfectly long, just slightly over 4 minutes, which is a great amount of time for, especially given the age of your particular learners. So really nicely done. I'm hoping you're able to use that with your students. And I would say even if they don't get to come back and feed Simba or take care of Simba for this school year, they probably also would really love to just see the video anyways and see a little bit about how they would be able to take care of Simba or if they get their own. Nicely done. Thank you.